You're
What about
welcome.
half baths? Do you have a feeling about photographs of half bathrooms?
I have something to ask you because I just photographed my bathroom today to put up on my Instagram because of the recent renovation. And here's what I would like to ask you.
Okay.
How do you get the whole shot of this little bathroom? Is it the lens that makes it look bigger? Like, how do you make that happen where it's like you can see the whole thing?
Yeah, there's a couple of things to that. First of all, like an average half bath shot, you're going to get a lot of mirror, sink, or toilet. It's tough to get all of it, and you're not going to get the floor unless you shoot it portrait style, which our MLS really doesn't play nicely with, so we never send things portrait style. It's a wide angle
Yeah.
lens. We don't do like a fisheye lens, which looks crazy and distorted, but we shoot with a nice 17 to 40 millimeter lens that gives us a good wide width for a shot like that. And we get low. Getting low will make it so you're not just getting a shot of like the towel and the mirror, and just trial and error. Sometimes a half bath, you have to shoot it from the hallway. You can't really
Totally.
be at the doorway and see it. You got to be in the hallway and show the context. Okay, this is beside the laundry room, and I can see that in this doorway there's a sink and a toilet, and that's all I need to see. I don't need to see it super close up.
Right. And then Britt's telling me that we have to take a break, but I'm not done with this. Um, what about like a shower curtain? Like, do you want to have the shower curtain open to show the tile in the shower?
It depends on what's behind it, really. If it's nice custom tile, we try to always open those up. If you're just showing a fiberglass, if it's hiding fiberglass, I don't think so. But it can make a bathroom look a lot bigger in a picture to have the curtain open. Again, that changed in COVID. Shower curtains were a thing that people didn't want us touching while we were in their house. We didn't particularly want to touch it either. They don't really get cleaned very often. So
Right.
we would kind of shoot it as it is. We would say, this is a thing that you need to have it as you want it when we go there, because we're not moving towels, we're not making beds, we're not opening shower curtains. And so it's kind of stayed that way. Unless it's halfway open and needs to be one way or the other, we're leaving it as they've said it and trusting that they've thought about it.
What did you ask me about a half bath? Are you saying like, do I stage a half bath?
It comes up in conversation all the time with my team about whether we should include it. You're always looking for what's important. What does a consumer want? Do they want a wasted shot on an empty bedroom that has a twin bed in it? Do they want a shot of a half bath?
I, as a mother, want to see the half bath. Is it too close to the kitchen? Does it have a shower in it? I mean, I guess not if it's a half bath, but I want to know if I see that a house is being listed as a 3, 2.5, I want to see what the half is that I get.